I want to talk about vocal samples. Now, there are some very extensive libraries out there, and they contain all manner of different vocal performances, and these will be hooks, one-shots, even verses and choruses of songs. And these are available for other producers to use as well. So you can pay, whether it's a subscription, whether it's an individual download, you can pay for the use of the sample in your production. But the danger is that somebody else may have used the same vocal hook, and it's not really cool if somebody else has put something out there that's going to sound the same as yours in terms of the hook. So what I'm going to suggest to you as a tip is, when you're working on your track, when you're vibing on a vocal sample that you're using, just take a pause and go and take a look at platforms like TrackSource. Try to hone in on a similar genre to the style of music that you make and search the phrase of the hook. It's very common that people name their tracks on the most obvious phrase in the vocal. So it could well be that you listen and you find somebody else has used the same vocal sample. And at that point, I would suggest moving on to another one, because really, do you want your track to have the same vocal hook as somebody else's?